to unite the ummah is a way above our pay grade objective. And never ever you will find Allah addressing us to do something of that magnitude. Allah tells us, abide by the rope of Allah. So we have to abide by the rope of Allah, which means that we have to abide by the Qur'an and by the Sunnah, and to obey our Muslim rulers. These are the basics of Islam. Now, a lot of those nicest supporters, Khawarij and the likes, would get on their heels and said, oh, this is this and this is that. Sue me. This is the religion of Allah. Allah tells us in the Quran and in the Sunnah, the Prophet clearly indicates that we must obey the Muslim rulers even if we don't like them. What can we do? Choose another Sunnah. Go and choose another religion. I can't change the religion of Allah. If you don't like the Muslim rulers, tough bananas. This is the religion of Allah. So to unite the ummah, we have to go to the basics. What are the basics? Abiding by the Quran and the Sunnah, the authentic Sunnah, with the understanding of the three favorite generations, companions, tabi'een, tabi'it tabi'een. There's no way out of this at all. And this is clearly mentioned in the Quran and in the Sunnah. Now, for you and I to be fair and square, to discuss such a thing without looking at our own selves and families, that would be ridiculous. Someone says, okay, let's talk about how to unite the ummah. Okay, akhi, you don't pray Fajr in the masjid. You don't pray at all in the masjid. And you don't abide by the Sunnah. You're clean shaven. Or you're not fair with your wife. You're not treating her well. She's not abiding by the hijab. You cheat, you lie, you don't come on time to work. You take money unlawfully from the company or from others, blah, blah, blah. And you want to unite the ummah? Wake up. I'm not talking to you, Rahma. I'm just saying, for us to unite the ummah, we have to align our lives with the Quran and the Sunnah, with the understanding of the favorite three generations. Then Allah would make this happen. But before that, it's not going to happen, not in a gazillion years, and Allah knows best. Eating garlic and onions is permissible in Islam. It is something that Allah made halal for us to consume. It has many benefits. The only thing we have to pay attention to is that if we do so, and there is this offensive odor that is coming from our mouths or stomachs, we are prohibited from attending the prayer in the masjid. This is the only thing that is related to garlics and onions and the likes. But does it have any impact on my purity or wudu? The answer is no. The things that break your wudu are identified in the books of fiqh and are probably limited to 5 things. And this is the most authentic. Whether you pass wind, urine, or defecate, or you sleep, or eat camel's meat. These are the things that break your wudu, and Allah Azza wa Jal knows best.